Real estate made more millionaires than anything else. Here's exactly how it works. You don't need to be rich to start. In fact, many people build wealth, starting with just one property. And if you're wondering how this actually works, here's a simple step-by-step breakdown. Step number 1. Understand how real estate makes money. There are two main ways: cash flow and appreciation. Cash flow is the money you earn every month after expenses like your mortgage, taxes, and maintenance. And appreciation is when your property increases in value over time, even while you sleep. Step number 2. Buy your first property the smart way. You don't need something expensive. Start small, something affordable, like a single-family home or a small rental. And here's the key: you don't need to pay all cash. Most investors use leverage, which means borrowing money to control a much bigger asset. Step number 3. Let your tenant pay your mortgage. This is where it gets powerful. You rent out the property, and your tenant pays you every month. That rent goes towards your mortgage, so someone else is helping you pay off your loan while you build equity month after month. Step number 4. Use your income and equity to buy more properties. Now you might be thinking, how do I buy another property if I already have a loan? Here's how it works. Banks don't just look at your debt, they also look at your income, and the rent from your first property actually helps you qualify for the next loan. Some investors also use the equity they've built by refinancing or taking a home equity loan to fund the next deal. Step number 5. Repeat the process and think long-term. This is how people scale. Buy smart, rent it out, build equity, and do it again. Each property adds more income and more long-term value. But remember, real estate is not a get-rich-quick game. It rewards patience, consistency, and smart decisions over time. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth through real estate. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple money tips and start building your path to financial freedom. Welcome to the Practical Millionaire, where wealth is built practically.